What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Tonight I'm going to teach you guys how to cook steak in an air fryer. I'm making a full meal, a piece of steak and some broccoli. Let me show you it's done. It's late. My daughter says I'm big back, but this is good meal. Trust me, it's not big back stuff. Let me show you. So that's the air fryer. I had a bigger one and then it got burned out, and then I bought this smaller one, digital. And this one is, I think this one is 3 quarts or 2 quarts. I don't know. 3 quarts. 1 gallon. Yeah, that's what they said it was. This is a gallon. The other one was huge that I had. Alright, so let me show you it's done. So, alright, air fryer. So what you gotta do with these little suckers, right? They got some little trap can in here to catch grease. You're gonna ignore that. Alright? Ignore that. That's a joke. What I do with my air fryer is put grease liners in there. You know, like coffee, like those things you put when you're making coffee. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Alright, so this is a liner that I put in my air fryer. I'm almost out. So I take that and drop it in there. So now when you're done cooking, you just remove this with everything in it. Hold firmly on both sides and remove it. That way when you're done, you don't have to wash the air fryer. There's no grease in there, nothing. Everything is in here, guys. Everything in here. No one in my house likes to do dishes. And I try to do stuff that no one does dishes. We use disposable plates, disposable forks, disposable cups. And we avoid washing things except for pots and pans. No plates getting messy in here. We throwing them suckers out. Alright, so that's the liner. I have steak in the fridge, so what I do is I pre-season my meat. Alright, so I got meat in season there, meat seasoned up there. Once I'm seasoning stuff, I do everything at once. So I got my steak pre-seasoned. So for dinner, alright, let me show you. Alright, so my steak pre-seasoned in a bag. See it? Yeah. So for tonight, I'm just eating 2 pieces, a big piece and a small piece. Yeah, smells good. All right, cool. Put it in there. You know what? These are huge. I'll just take 1. That's enough because my diet called for, let me tell you what my diet is: 1 apple in the morning. You get it right. I said apple. 1 apple in the morning, or some sort of fruits in the morning, right? And then for lunchtime or dinner time, if I'm home, I try to do a steak for lunch. If I'm not home, whenever I get home, I do the steak. All right, so this is what we got. We got the steak in the air fryer. I know you can see it. All right, that's what we got. And then, you know, my shirt. You can handle these nuts. It's a squirrel. I don't know what he's saying, but it's a squirrel joke. I don't get it. All right, guys, so that's it. My steak, right? So I'm gonna pop this in the air fryer just like that. It's already seasoned, guys. Already seasoned. Put it in the air fryer, and I set my air fryer to air fry because there's a bunch of stuff. It says wings, bacon, vegetables, seafood, fries. It got them presets, and it has preheat, right? So what I do is set my thing to 20 minutes, keep it on preheat. So it takes like 5 minutes to heat up. So in essence, it's gonna run 25 minutes in total, and that's all I need, all right? And it's preheating. It's gonna take like 5 minutes before that 20 minutes start counting down. So one side is gonna get 15 minutes, guys. It's gonna get 15 minutes, and when the air fryer beeps, at the 15 minutes mark, then I flip it over on the other side. That's all I'm doing. Just flip it on the other side. By then, it's already almost cooked through. If you're like a rare meat eater, you could pretty much eat it at that point, right? And then it's gonna be filled with juices. By then, it's gonna be like juices swimming around in that thingy that I put there, the grease trap thing that I put in there, or the liner, or the filter, whatever you wanna call it. I just call it liner, right? Air fryer liner, that's what I call it. That's my invention. So I put it in there, and then it has like juices swimming around that big old piece of steak, right? If it had fats on it, it would have like grease and stuff in there from the fat. But that one don't have a lot of fat on it. But sometimes you have fat steak with fats on it, right? So at that point, when I flip it over, I could let it run for like 5 minutes, then pop it out again and put some little sauce on it, right? Because I want to cook and juicy, right? I just need to put like some chili sauce or something on it. Put it back in for the last 5 minutes. With the last 5 minutes now, I drop some broccoli in there. So the broccoli is gonna air fry. So when that goes off, I have steak and broccoli ready for dinner. Alright guys, let me show you. Not lying. So just wait. Alright guys, so I just stopped the air fryer and I got my right here. So let me show you what's going on inside this. So this is what this looks like, right? Let me get some light on it. After 15 minutes, and you see that water in there? You see, look at that. It's swimming in that water, nice and juicy. All of that would have been in the bottom of the pan, but you don't want it to dry out. So the water keep it moist, and that's what I'm doing, keeping it moist. So what I'm gonna do here is just flip this over, drop some broccoli in there, put it back in for 10 minutes, and then that's it. It's done. My way. Alright guys, so the air fryer just stopped. Let me show you the magic here. I know you're gonna be jealous. Alright guys, tell me some of the comments. Tell me what you think. Look at it. Let's go taste this. Let's go taste this. For real though. For real.
When it gets warm outside again, Elliot said he wanted to try jerk chicken. I mean, he said...
Alright guys, so this is what I got. Paper plates, disposable forks, knife, utensils, whatever. So this is ready. I just pop it out like this. Booyah! Look at that. Alright, I think it got dried out a little bit. So normally when I do it, you know what? Because this one doesn't have a lot of fat on it. But normally when I do it, there's a lot of juices still swimming around in it. But anyway, let's go test it. Alright. In Chanel's word, bone apple teeth. I know that's not the word, but that's what Chanel says it. So I'm testing here. You want to try it, Lucas? Man.
What even is it?
Steak.
Steak.
Air fryer steak.
Actually really nice. That sauce is really good on it.
Okay, so this is sweet chili sauce. Look at that. See? Nice and juicy.
Well done. If you don't eat your steak well done, you're weird, man. And that's true.
And it's kind of sweet though. I don't like this one. This one's too sweet. Yeah, it's chili sauce. Listen, this is chili ginger. Normally I use the regular chili. I think there's more sugar in this one.
That's so good, man.
But that's it, guys. A complete meal in an air fryer done just right. Alright, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel and comment down below. What should I cook next? Alright, in the Martin kitchen. See you in the next video. Peace out. So yummy, I tell you. So good.
You want me to stop it?